Hi guys, it's Andy Slack, the CEO and founder of MoreNiche, providing another bi-monthly video update to all of our affiliates and possibly interested affiliates in joining the health affiliate network MoreNiche. So obviously everybody is currently in lockdown across the world. This presents a huge opportunity as well as a huge amount of fear. So I couldn't start a video in April 2020 without mentioning the lockdown, coronavirus, and the fact that it's really important, I believe, that everybody finds opportunity within this current environment. Many people that look at things through the lens of fear, it's paralyzing and really stops you from delivering the best possible work. Whereas we believe that through opportunity, there's so much out there at the moment, and some of it I'm going to talk about in this quick video in regards to what you can do to sort of maximize your earnings and what's going on at MoreNiche. So firstly, check out the article that I'm going to link below in this video. The article was something I posted on LinkedIn, and it was really about how you can get maximum opportunity and how MoreNiche are working in a very different way since the lockdown, which is producing fantastic results for us and also for you, our partners. So please check that out. Firstly, the lockdown has helped us create a new way of working. So as an organization, we're now working in weekly sprints. So we're moving very, very quickly. And the way that's working is that every Monday we meet, we discuss what this week's sprint's going to look like, and all 30 of our team members are all working on one common goal. So this week, for example, it's ViaCell, and our goal is to move the website over to the new tech stack, which we'll go on and talk a little bit more shortly. And this way of working, everyone having a common goal, everyone coming together and swarming to solve a specific problem, is really helping people feel less isolated, more connected to the business during this time of uncertainty. It's giving people a focus and a real energy to add value and takes people out of that sort of fear, concerned, worried mindset and puts us all into a really proactive, opportunity grabbing mindset. So that's super important. So how this worked, the first week we launched a new brand, Immune Defense, and that's what this article on LinkedIn really talks about, is how we did that, how we took a process that normally would take maybe 3-4 months in our old way of working, and we managed to achieve it within a single week by sprinting. So that's really an interesting read. So that was the first sprint we did, and then since then we've evolved, and we're basically every week we're running a new sprint at the moment for a new brand. So we've done Mail Extra. Mail Extras, the industry as a whole is rocking. People are really making their use of their lockdown time, and Mail Extra is something that we're seeing a really good spike in sales. So that was a week we spent investing in that brand, improving the conversion rates, the site speed, moving it onto the new tech stack. I'm going to come back to the tech stack because it's quite important. Then Zotrim, we did a week on Zotrim last week. That was our third real sprint, and we're seeing so much more traction with the brand. We've repositioned all of the messaging around being an appetite suppressant. We're really focusing on the fact that this is probably the world's best appetite suppressant, certainly one of the most clinically proven products on the market. So we've really repositioned the copy of the website. The conversion rates are skyrocketing, and a lot of top affiliates are already started putting it number one on their sites. I would definitely encourage you, if you've not already made that switch, to do so, because it's converting really well, and we've got a lot lined up for Zotrim in terms of PR, in terms of more split tests. In fact, there's a split test running right now on the English version of the site, split testing the before and after photo as the hero image instead of just the product packaging. So we're doing more and more work on Zotrim, and that's something you should definitely check out. ViaCell is being worked on this week, as we mentioned already. So one thing I wanted to mention is that this way of working, this sprinting, getting everybody in the organization working on one common goal has been super powerful for us. So MoreNiche currently employ around 30 people. And if you work that out, normal working hours, it's somewhere around 1,000 to 1,300 man hours. So over 1,000, 1,200, 1,300 man hours going into each one of these sprints. To a cost of the business, the cost to run MoreNiche and employ 30 people and all of our tooling and everything else basically works out to be £50,000 per week. So every single one of these brands, we're basically investing at least £50,000 into that brand, because we believe that by doing so, we're going to be able to move ourselves forward, and we're doing it quickly every single week. Next, we're going to be working on Testogen. That's a real biggie. That's our biggest selling brand that we own, and that's something that will really benefit from this work. Zeta White, Black Wolf, and we're also looking at launching another new brand at some point in the next 1 to 2 months. So more details on that soon. Why move tech stack? You may have heard this a couple of times before in terms of in the emails that you're receiving. By the way, if you're not receiving the emails, then let your mentor or customer service know, because they really have been notched up a level or 2 or 10 over the last few weeks. Our copywriter, in-house copywriter Rachel, has been creating these emails alongside our sprinting, and they're full of really useful information, and they're so much better than our old emails. So if you unsubscribed previously and you want to resubscribe, let us know. We get you back on the mailing list. There's some really powerful stuff being sent out. We're sending emails out probably twice a week, 3 times a week at the moment, with some really juicy stuff. So why tech stack? Why are we moving our tech stack at such an expensive cost to the business? Firstly, some consistency. So because of the way these brands have been built over the years, every single one is different themes, different plugins, different versions. It makes it really difficult when trying to maintain our websites. So we're trying to create consistency, which means that we can move forward a lot faster, which means that we can split test more, we can do more on the front end without needing developers. We're actually using the Elementor-based theming system for WordPress, so it empowers our front end team to just make changes super quick. Copy changes, image changes, translations, split tests. We can do stuff super quick moving forward. And also consistency in terms of if something works on one site, it's really easy then to roll it out across the portfolio. So that's why. Secondly, it's speeding the sites up. So once we have this consistency across all sites, it's going to be so easy then to improve the speeds of the websites through different caching, different ways of working. So that's important. And then, of course, the main thing where we focus a lot of our effort, or we will do moving forward, is in the CRO. So every single website needs to be converting the best in its industry. We want Zotrim to be the best selling, best converting appetite suppressant in the world. I have no doubt it will be very soon. We want Testogen to be the best converting, highest paying testosterone product on the market. The same for all of our brands that we own and that we're promoting. We need them to be the best converting products for you guys, so that you can make the most money and that you're pushing most of your traffic to those specific brands. So that's something that we've done for 20 years and we'll continue to do so. Finally, I want to mention just about our results. So we've been running this sprinting now for maybe 5 weeks, and April is looking to be at least 90% higher in terms of revenue than March. So we've experienced a 90% increase in revenue March to April, and it's absolutely phenomenal, the results that the team are achieving, that our affiliates are achieving, that you're achieving, because we're all working together to build this amazing network, and the results are paying off. I don't know at this moment in time how much of that is due to us sprinting, how much of it is due to the Google algorithm changes that are happening, how much of it is due to the coronavirus and people just being at home in front of their computers ordering more online. But all 3 of those factors and any other factors are having a real positive impact. And the amount of work that our team are doing in building these brands and supporting our affiliates is out of this world at the moment. So long may that continue, and that's certainly our plan. Moving forward, we're going to really continue pushing hard on sprinting and getting all of our brands moved over, and then we're really looking at, okay, how can we speed that up even more so that our brands are being worked on maybe every month. Every single brand is being really invested in every single month so that we're really working those conversions up. We're looking to bring in more conversion optimization support and upskilling our team as we continue to learn and evolve. So this is by no means the end. This is very much the start for us. Regardless of what happens with the lockdown, we've found a way of working that's really working for us, working for our partners. So we're going to keep pushing. Big push on CRO, as I mentioned. We're looking at localization. So how can we get more conversions out of every single visitor that lands on these websites? We want to squeeze every cent out of every visitor. So we're looking at localization, we're looking at hero images and all sorts of copy, design, improvements over in the months to come. Finally, I said finally already. Finally, we are also on the hunt for some entrepreneurs to come and join MoreNiche to work on some new technology projects that we're looking to invest in. So if you're there and you think, do you know what, I'm looking for a new challenge, I would consider myself to be an entrepreneur, then please get in touch with me, comment below or drop me an email, andy.slack@moreniche.com. We're basically looking to launch a few tools and services to support our partners more through automation, through improvements to the way that we operate, and taking handle on a few new projects that we're looking to launch. So really exciting things coming, and I'll talk more about those on my future videos. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. Make sure you're in the Facebook lounge, and of course, if you need anything at all, then we're really here to help. I guess I can finish off by saying that I feel MoreNiche has always had our partners back through the tough times and through the good times. When we've had SEO challenges in the past, we've tried to bring in experts to help support you guys. We're in a situation now where we've got people like Amazon who are literally just cutting the legs underneath their affiliates, and we're once again here stepping up to help support you guys into the future. So we hope you appreciate it. Drop a comment below, let us know that you're appreciating all of the hard work from the team and your fellow affiliates, because remember that this is a network, and brands are only as successful as everybody pushing and promoting. So there's no point in having one affiliate promoting, let's say, Zotrim, #1 appetite suppressant, and then everywhere else it's something else. We really can support one another and get that true network effect when every single website has the same brand #1 and the same messaging. So let's push together. And if you need anything at all, drop us a comment, drop us a note in Facebook, and we will do whatever we can to support you. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll speak soon.